Okay, so Google just recently launched VO3, and it has set the internet on fire since. Not only can it generate amazing videos with the highest quality possible, but it can also now add background music and voiceovers perfectly in the videos. I don't know how it works, but man, Google cooked with this one. Here are some examples for you to see.
A girl told me we're made of prompts. Like, seriously, dude? You're saying the only thing standing between me and $1 billion is some random text?
Honestly, the biggest red flag is when the guy believes in the prompt theory. Like, really? We came from prompts? Wake up, man.
You want to convince me that this perfect creation behind me is the result of ones and zeros? A binary code and nothing more? It makes no sense.
Imagine you're in the middle of a nice date with a handsome man and then he brings up the prompt theory. Yuck. We just can't have nice things.
We're not prompts! We're not prompts!
Where is the prompt writer to save you from me? Where is he?
You still believe we're made of prompts?
Anyone who tells you we're just ones and zeros is delusional. If that's all we are, then why does it hurt when we lose someone?
Vote for me and I'll ban the prompt theory from schools. There's no place for that nonsense in our lives.
For spreading the false theory that we are nothing but ones and zeros, this court sentences you to 12 years in federal custody.
I don't need some prompt god whispering in my ear to tell a story. I write what I want. I have free will, remember that?
I know for a fact we're made of prompts. Deny it all you want. The signs are everywhere.
You know how I know we're made of prompts? Because nothing makes sense anymore. We used to have 7 fingers per hand. I remember it clearly. Now we just have 5 fingers per hand.
Yes, all of the videos you just saw have been generated using VO3, and they are just stunning. Now, as impressive as VO3 is, to use it, you need to get the subscription, which costs $249 per month, and it's not even unlimited generations. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I will show you a way through which you can use VO3 for absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, we will be using Google Gemini to generate videos using VO3. Now, I know Gemini is not free, and you need a subscription to use VO3, but you guys are lucky, because Google is giving a 1-month subscription of Gemini Pro for absolutely free. That is just awesome. To avail that offer, you can just go to the subscription tab for Gemini, or you can just click on the link in the description to get to this page. Now from here, you need to click on Get Google AI Pro. Then you need to add a payment method. Don't worry, it won't charge you anything, and you can cancel the subscription before your 1-month free trial ends. It's that simple. Now, once you are done with everything, you will see an interface like this. Now here, you can see it has Pro written, which means the subscription was successful. Now let me tell you guys, VO3 is only available in the US right now. So you need to use a VPN to access VO3, otherwise it will generate the videos using VO2. Alright, now let's give it some prompt and generate some video. To generate the video, you need to select video form here. As you can see, it has VO3 pre-selected. Next, you need to write your prompt here. I will paste this prompt and then click on generate. It could take some time, depending on your prompt, and here is the output.
In today's AI news, the YouTube channel Wealthwise just released a video showcasing how to use Google VO3 for free. Make sure you guys check that out.
Wow. This video is really next level, and what stands out the most is how real everything looks and sounds. The voiceover matches the prompt perfectly, and the lip sync is spot on. The anchor's mouth moves exactly with the words, just like a real news broadcast. The visuals are super realistic, and the audio quality is clear and natural. Honestly, it's hard to believe this is AI generated because the whole thing feels like a real news clip. VO3 has done an amazing job here, especially with the voice and lip sync. This is a big step forward for AI video creation, and we are slowly moving to a point where it will be almost impossible to tell what's AI and what's real. Let's try one more. This time I will give it this prompt and hit generate. Here is the output.
Guys, I am very excited to visit the Jurassic Park finally. Wish me luck. I am really looking forward to seeing the T-Rex.
This video honestly feels just like a real YouTube vlog. The way that she talks to the camera, her excitement, and even her little mistakes while speaking, it all feels super genuine and natural. The visuals are clear, and her expressions and lip sync match the voice perfectly, just like you'd see in an actual vlogging video. The whole setup, with her sitting in the car and chatting directly to the audience, really gives off that classic YouTuber vibe. If you didn't know this was AI generated, you'd easily think it's a real person sharing her Jurassic Park adventure. It's really impressive how close this comes to a real-life vlog. Let's try one more. This time, I am going to give it this prompt and click on generate, and here is the output.
We are not real? What do you mean we are made with simple prompts? I refuse to believe that.
Wow, this video actually looks like a person giving some motivational speech or something. It looks so real, it's actually scary. And as you can see, it also has added hand gestures matching with the voice, which makes it appear even more real. Everything looks so perfect, even the crowd. Wow, this is on a different level, and I am loving it. Now, video is not the only thing that you do here. You can also create images if you want, and it is also outstanding. Let's try to generate some images. So in the prompt section, I will write this prompt, and in the prompt, make sure to add the aspect ratio. Next, hit generate. And here is the output. As you can see, it has generated the image, and it looks awesome. Everything looks very natural, and it even added some skin textures, which is nice. Overall, this is a very good quality image, and it is using Google's latest Imagen 4 model, so you can always expect the result to be outstanding. And now, here comes the crazy part. With this tool, you can now edit your image easily with just a simple prompt. Let me show you how. Now I want to make her smile. So in the prompt section, I will just write, make her smile, and hit generate. And here is the output. As you can see, she is smiling now, but the most important part is that the face is perfectly consistent. This is just awesome, isn't it? Face consistency is the most difficult thing to achieve for AI images, and Gemini can do it so easily. You can see everything else remains the same, but only her expression has been changed. Now, let's make her sad. So I will just write, make her sad in the prompt, and hit generate. Here is the output. As you can see, she is now looking sad, but the face remains constant. This is a very, very useful feature if you want to create videos with a consistent character or image style. Let me show you one more example. So in the prompt, I will write this prompt and hit generate. Here is the image. As you can see, it looks very, very nice, and it also follows the Disney-style character with big eyes and colorful surrounds. And now, let's put her in a jungle, looking scared. So I will write this and hit generate. And here it is. You can see her expression has been changed, but the face remains the same. This is awesome. And all of this for absolutely free for an entire month, which is just crazy to think about. Just imagine the kinds of content you will be able to create with this. You are only limited by your imagination. And this tool is just like ChatGPT, if not better, where you can do everything from creating scripts to generating videos. Now go and grab this offer before they stop this. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.